I don't know how many months ago it was, but I told you guys I was going to give you guys kind of like, not a tutorial, but like a tour of my new desk space, because my husband went to great lengths to create this desk space for me, and now that I'm working from home, it's worked out perfectly. So I was sitting here working and realized I'm sitting here working and I haven't even done a proper desk tour or a DIY home office space. So if you're looking to make your own office space, I will go through everything I did, and it was super, super cheap. So if you guys like this, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is where I work every single morning. Super simple, and that's the aesthetic I was going for. So as far as the windows, this was just part of my kitchen to begin with, but it's just like fake ivy that goes over the windows instead of drapes, because I think that's cuter. Right here, I have a little utility stand that I got from Target, like 35 bucks or something like that, probably even cheaper than that. And then I keep all my little pins and stuff in this little caddy that I got from World Market. Those pumpkins down there my kids made on their own. Then I have all the reading that I'm doing, whether it's for spiritual reading or for business. And then just some little storage down there. And my little sign here. There's no lack of knowledge out there, just a shortage of asking for help. If you know me, my kids will tell you this, I like it when people ask questions. So then I'm a fake plant type of person. So I have these little fake succulents here to kind of frame out this window, which is really cute. This is more related to kitchen, but it does go with the aesthetic of my office. And then here we go. So this desk, super wide desk, fits perfectly. My husband actually created this. We went to Home Depot. We got a slab of wood basically cut into 3 pieces of 5 feet, and then I had my husband stain it the color that I picked out, and then we added these, well, he added these legs to it. It's the sturdiest, most wide, the dopest table ever, or desk ever, and I love all these like imperfections, so vintage. So this is my calendar, which is super simple, and I like it that way, black and white. And then this is actually real. I named her, you can actually see Bettina, which is a German name, but this is real, and it only requires like watering once a week, which is perfect for me, and it gets proper sunlight. This is a clock I got from Target. These light up at night, and I got those from Target as well, and it looks really, really nice. This actually houses my paper clips, and this was actually a candle from Bath & Body, and then I emptied out the inside, and it now houses my paper clips and a couple of other things. And then my peace sign, because this is like a good vibes type thing. This is my jam. This is a marble coaster here, so every morning when I have coffee, I take that and put my coffee on there. This lamp I got from IKEA as well, and I love how industrial it is. Super cute. I change this up every now and then. This is my mantra right now. It is well with my soul, which is a scripture, Psalms 46, 1 and 3. Another fake plant, another 2 fake succulents, Alexa. And then these these came in a pair of 2, and I got these from Target. They're like little gold envelopes that hold all of our mail. And then I have my board that I write on every day. And then these are just, you know, it's like my file cabinet. I keep all my files in there. So this is my chair, which I love. Got it from IKEA. Super sleek, so comfortable. And my rug that's like a fake Persian rug, and I love it. So yeah, this is where I work. This is what it looks like. And I get my work on. So all in all, that desk, just so you guys know, cost probably, from the stain, the wood, the legs, the desk itself probably cost like $60, which is cheaper than any desk that you're gonna get that's sturdy and super cool and like custom from any store I've ever been to. And all of the accessories that went with it, I would say was probably another $200. So to create a little nook in your house where you can work or read or, you know, create things is so freaking worth it. Let me know what you guys think of my space. Show me guys your guys' space, and I will check y'all on the next one. Peace.